Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to get Purple Heart Cape in Minecraft for free. To get this cape, you should go to Twitch, twitch.tv, and then sign in. If you don't have account, create account. Now search Minecraft and see who is live. Find free drops or drops enabled text in video title, such as this one, drops enabled, and this streamer is live. And see this one, all drops on, and see this one, drops on. So PewDiePie is on, and you see these drops are enabled. Watch for 15 minutes to receive a code to get your very own Twitch Minecraft Purple Heart Cape 2024. So find a Minecraft streamer who is streaming Minecraft with drops enabled. Click the video and watch for 15 minutes, and in the chat type Minecraft to be sure. I already watched the stream for 15 minutes and I got the reward. After 15 minutes, you will see a message that you have earned or received a reward for Minecraft Purple Heart Cape. Click here to redeem. This will take you to minecraft.net/redeem page. But from here in your Twitch account, you can go to drops and reward page to see if you really got this reward. See, I have got it, Purple Heart Cape. Click redeem button, copy the redeem code, and you see below it says offer available until July 1, 2024. So this is limited time offer. So copy the code and then go to minecraft.net/redeem page. Scroll all the way down, paste the code here. It will ask you to sign into Minecraft using your Microsoft account. After that, cape will be yours. It will take few minutes for cape to appear in your account. First, this cape will appear in bedrock, then eventually in Java edition. For Java, from Minecraft launcher, click on skins tab, click on new skin icon, or you can edit current screen by hovering over this skin and pressing 3 dots, then clicking edit link. The cape will appear here. In case of bedrock edition, click on Minecraft Windows or open Minecraft Bedrock. Here, go to dressing room. Click on this cape icon. Capes. Select this cape, Purple Heart Cape. Click equip button. And here is the cape. So this is how you can get this free cape in Minecraft. If you missed this event and couldn't claim this cape, subscribe to our channel. We will notify you when the new free capes will be available in Minecraft. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.